Welcome to IPitimi, the standard for everything IP. This is the portal training video for our basic business users. During this video, we will explain how to view and update profiles, change passwords, update call forwarding, view calling plans, configure voicemail settings, view call logs, and access codes. To access the full portal, please visit support.ipitimi.com. On our support page, you can find many helpful links like how to open a support request, helpful information, and other support videos just like this one. Here you can find the phone portal link. This will direct you to portal.ipitimi.com. You can access this website directly or go through the support site. To log in, enter the username and password located on your welcome packet. If you did not receive a welcome packet, please contact your administrator. This is the home screen of your specific user's phone portal. Notice the navigation pane on the left side of the screen. Here you have incoming calls, outgoing calls, call control, calling plans, client applications, messaging, service scripts, and utilities. We will start by clicking Profile and coming over to the Profile page. If you click Profile again, it will bring you to your basic user information. Here you can see first name, last name, language, time zone, and location information. This is very important to keep updated so IPitimi can continue to update the Emergency 911 database. Click OK to save and come back to the previous screen. Now if you stay in Profile and come down to Addresses, you can view your phone number, extension, and find the name for your specific phone in case you need to reference it later. To change your web access and voicemail passwords, come down to the Passwords tab on the Profile page. To change the password you use to access this portal, choose Web Access Password and enter a new password here. Click Apply to save and stay on the same screen, or click OK to save and return to the last screen. To change your voicemail password, click on Set Portal Password and enter your new PIN here. This is the PIN you will use to access your voicemail directly from your phone. Schedules are created on the admin level and will affect all users within your group. Let's now click over to the Incoming Calls page where you can find your call forwarding options. Call Forward Always is to be used if you want all of your calls forwarded to another number at all times. Call Forward Busy will forward the call only when you're on the phone. With Call Forward No Answer, you can choose how many rings need to go by before the call is forwarded to another number. Call Forward Not Reachable is a very important feature that needs to be used by every single user. This setting will automatically forward calls to another number if your phone goes down or the network connection at your site is lost for any reason. This is a backup feature that allows communication to continue even in the case of a disaster. Let's come over to outgoing calls. Down here, you have the ability to block your number from showing when you place a call. Over here in Call Control, you have a few settings for your music on hold, conference calls, call transfers, and other settings. Here in Calling Plans, you can see what is included for your user. In Incoming Calls, you can see who you are allowed to receive calls from. In outgoing calls, these are the numbers you are able to dial. Group calls, local and toll-free are all included, but international might sometimes be disabled. If you are incorrectly disabled in any of these areas, please contact your administrator. In Client Applications, you will see listed any special apps that are associated with your account. Please contact IPitimi for more information on our different services. We'll come over to the messaging page where you can find your voicemail greetings information. Within this tab, you can either choose the default system's greeting or upload your own. These are broken out by busy and no answer greetings and can also be recorded when you access your voicemail directly from the phone. Here in Voice Management, you can enable or disable your voicemail as well as update other settings. Leave the setting for unified messaging enabled if you like voicemail to continue to go directly to your phone. If you're on vacation and need your voicemail sent directly to your email instead, you can enable it here. To receive a voicemail on your phone as well as in your email, enable the carbon copy setting and enter your email address. You can also allow a caller to press 0 during a message to be transferred to another number. Service scripts will be used by your admin only, so let's come down to Utilities. Here you can find basic call logs to see all placed, received, and missed calls. Here in Feature Access Code, you can see a list of all the star codes that can be used to change settings directly from your phone. For example, pressing star 94 will enable your call forward not reachable. And finally, registrations will show you if your phone is able to connect to the network. If you are experiencing issues and do not see your phone information listed here, please contact your administrator. This phone portal can make it quick and easy to update some of the basic settings for your IPitimi phone service. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us directly at support@ipitimi.com or call our 24/7 service center at 1-855-IPitimi. Thank you so much for your time.